Hi, hello, how are you all? Hope you're all doing good. So, today we are going to discuss IMO Level 2 sample paper for grade 6, question number 37. A number is first one, two statements are here. In both the cases, we have to find out the value of x. Okay, so first case, that is, if a number is multiplied by 4 and decreased by 7, we get 29. So, we have to find out the number. So, for that, we will use here, according to the BODMAS rule, and the reverse operation. By performing the reverse operation here, in the reverse operation, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and the division will become multiplication, as well as multiplication will become division. So this is the operation. So here, first statement we will write. Okay, suppose a number is multiplied by 4. We don't know the number, so we have to take that number as x. Okay, so x, which is multiplied by 4, okay, into 4 and decrease by 7. Minus 7, we will get what? 29. Okay, so in the reverse operation, we will start from the right side. Okay, from the answer, we will start 29. Okay, so 29, here it is minus. So in the reverse operation, minus will become what? Yes, it will become plus. So here 29 plus 7. So that is 36. Okay, next operation is multiplication. So multiplication will become what? Division. So 36 divided by 4. So what we will get? 9. So 9, next operation is not there. Directly x is there. So 9 is our x. So x is equal to 9. First number we get 9. Okay. So the next number, next statement, that is a number x decreased by 3.4 gives 6.6. Find the value of x. A number, we don't know, we are taking it as x, decreased by 3.4. That means minus 3.4, which is equal to 6.6. Okay. So only one operation is here, that is the subtraction. So in reverse operation, subtraction will become addition. So we have to add 6.6 plus 3.4. So we will get 10.0 as x. So here x is 10. So this is 10. So the correct option is option B, that is 9 and 10. B is the correct option. First one is 9 and second one is 10. Next question. Rashi earns 25,000 per month and saves 5,000 per month. Okay, find the ratio of her first one, earnings to savings and earnings to expenditure. First, we will find out the ratio of earnings to savings. Okay, earnings to savings first we will find out. Here, so her earnings is 25,000 and her savings is 5,000. So ratio, this one will get cut off. Okay. This one will get cut off. So here 25,000 and this is, yes. Okay. So 25 by 5. Okay. 25 by 5 means what? 5 by 1. Okay. That is 5 is to 1. So her ratio of earnings to savings is 5 is to 1. Next, we will find out her earnings to expenditure ratio. Her earnings is 25,000 and expenditure is how much she is spending. Okay, so she earns 25,000 and she is spending 5,000. Okay, so how much she's spending, her expenditure is how much? So 25,000, she can save only 5,000. So her expenditure is 25,000 minus 5,000. Okay. So minus 5,000. So that will become 20,000. 20,000 is her expenditure. So we have to find out the ratio of earnings to expenditure. 20,000. 25 by 20, that is 5 by 4. Or the ratio is 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4 is the earnings to expenditure ratio. So the correct option is option C. That is 5 is to 1 and 5 is to 4 is the correct option. Next, a room is 7 meter 20 centimeter long and 5 meter 20 centimeter broad. If square tiles have to be laid in such a way that an exact number of tiles fit in and no tiles has to be cut, then what is the greatest length of the side of square tiles? Okay, so it is given that a room is 7 meter and 20 centimeter long. Okay, 7 meter and 20 centimeter long and 5 meter 20 centimeter broad. Okay, so if square tiles has to be laid in such a way that exact number of tiles fit in and no tiles has to be cut. Okay, so there is no need to cut any tiles, and we have to find out the greatest length of the side of square tiles. Okay, for that what we have to do is first we will convert this 7 meter 20 centimeter and 5 meter 20 centimeter into meter. So this will become 720 meter and this will become 520 meter to convert into meter. Okay. So here 720 meter and 520 meter. Okay. So to find the greatest length, what we have to do, we have to find out the HCF, highest common factor of 720 and 520. Okay, 720 and 520. So the highest common HCF of highest common factor of 720 is, when we do, we will get 2 into 2. That is, this is the highest common factor of 720 and the highest common factor of 520 is given as. So this both is same as 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 5s are 40. So same 40. So the greatest length of side of square tiles is 40. Okay, that is a 40 centimeter. So the correct option is option A, that is 40. We have to find out the highest common factor of both 720 and 520. Next question. The difference between 478392 and 239150 round off to nearest thousand is, which is equal to, so here first we will round off this 47,000 for 4,78,392 to its nearest thousand, 78392, which is equal to 478 000. This is to the nearest thousand, and 289,150 to the nearest thousand is 289,000. And we have to find the difference between both. Okay, 0 and this will 89. Okay. 189,000. This is the difference between both this. Okay, so correct option is option B, 1,89,000. Next question, here in this we have to find out the value for x. Okay, 7.26, 6 2 by 3 of 7.26 divided by 0.45 of x. Okay, 0.45 of x is equal to 8, 3 by 2 by 17. Okay. So here 6 2 by 3 of 7.26. 7.26 we can write it as 726 by 100. That is 7.26 into 6 2 by 3 is 20 by 3 when we convert into normal fraction. Okay. So that is, which is equal to 100 by 45. Okay. So this is for 0.45. Okay. 0.45 of x divided by. So this will become multiply 100 by 45. Okay. 45 by 100 will become 100 by 45 of into x. Okay. So which is equal to 968 by 117. That is the normal fraction. Okay. So here we can cut this one and this one. So we will get here 242. We can cut this 100 and 100. Okay. So last we will get 4840x. Okay. Divided by 45. 45 is equal to 968 by 117. So, okay, which is equal to 960. We can cross multiply here. 968 into 45 divided by 4840x into 170. So when we do this, we will get 43560 divided by 566280. Okay, which is equal to, here it is 13. Okay, here it is 13. So which is equal to, x is also here. Okay, when we divide this, what we will get here? It is, we will get here 1 by 13. Okay, this is 1 by 13. Okay, so x, 1 by x is equal to 1 by 13 we will get. So the value of x is equal to 13. Okay, so the value of x is 30. So correct option is option C, that is 30. Next, the predecessor of successor of smallest 7-digit number is. Predecessor of successor of smallest 7-digit number. Okay, smallest 7-digit number, successor of smallest. So here inside that is predecessor of successor of smallest 7-digit number. So we know that the smallest 7-digit number is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6 zeros and 1. This is the smallest 7-digit number. Okay, and the successor of smallest 7-digit number, successor of smallest digit number, 1, 2, 3, 0, 5 zeros and 1. This is the successor of smallest 4-digit, smallest 7-digit number. Predecessor of successor of smallest 4-digit number means that we will get the same answer only, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is the answer. That is predecessor of successor of smallest 7-digit number. So the correct option is option D. Predecessor of, first we have to find out the successor of smallest 7-digit number. Then predecessor of that number will be the same number itself. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. Next, fill in the blanks. Okay. A square has dash lines of symmetry. Okay. So P, Q, and R is given here. Okay. P, Q, and R is given here. So we have to find out the values for P, Q, and R. Okay. A square has dash line of symmetry. So let us see how many lines of symmetries are there for square. Okay. Here, this is a square. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So square has 4 lines of symmetry. Okay. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. And a scale and triangles has Q lines of symmetry. So scale and triangle. Scale and triangle means what? It is a triangle with all sides are different. So we cannot, it cannot have a line of symmetry. So scale and triangles have 0 lines of symmetry because all the sides are different. Equilateral triangle is a triangle with all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle is a triangle with 2 sides equal, one is different. And scale and triangle is a triangle with all sides are different. So here there is no lines of symmetry. Next, third one, a circle has dash lines of symmetry. So circle can have many and many more lines of symmetry. So it can have infinite lines of symmetry. Many and many lines of symmetry. Okay. So the correct option is option B, 4, 0, and infinite. Okay. That is the correct answer. Option B. Okay. So next question. On a day in Srinagar, the temperature at 7 p.m. was 5 degrees Celsius, but at midnight on the same day, it dropped to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. So the fall in temperature was. So here at 7 p.m. it is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, at 7 p.m. it is 5 degrees Celsius. And on the same day, it is dropped to 4 degrees Celsius. So at midnight means what? It is 12 o'clock. At midnight, it is 12 o'clock. 12. Okay, so at 12 o'clock, it is same. It is dropped to 4 degrees Celsius. So here the fall in temperature is 9. That is 5 and 4. 5 plus 4. That is fall in temperature is 9 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next question. If the two numbers are divisible by a number, okay, two numbers are divisible by a number, then their dash is also divisible by that number. Okay. First one, If two numbers are divisible, so let us do this with an example. Okay, suppose 6 and 5. I'm taking 6 and 5. Okay, 6 and 5 is a number. Okay, are divisible by a number. Okay, 6 and 5 is divisible by a number. Suppose 6 and 5. Sorry. I'm taking here. Okay, 10 and 20. Okay, 10 and 20 is divisible by a number, that is I'm taking 5. Okay, 10 and 20 is divisible by 5. Okay, and their dash is also divisible by number. First one they are asking for the sum. Okay, let us find out the sum here. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 is again divisible by 5. Okay, that is true. Next, their product. Product is 20 into 10, which is equal to 200. 200 is again divisible by 5. Okay, so that is also true. Next, difference. Difference is 20 minus 10, which is equal to 10. That is also divisible by 5. So that is also true. All the cases are true. So the correct option is all of these. So the next question is simplify from the sum of x by 2 plus y by 2, y by 3 plus z by 4, and 2x by 3 plus 3 by 5, 4 plus 4 is z by 5. Okay, so we have to first find out the sum of these two, and we have to subtract this with x by 6 plus y by 12 plus z by 20. Okay. Here we have x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4. Okay, and plus 2x by 3 plus 3y by 4 plus 4z by 5 is equal to, when we do this cross multiplication, we will get 12x plus 8y plus 6z divided by 24, and this 1, 4 2s are 8. So when we do this cross multiplication, we will get 40x plus 45y plus 48z divided by 60. Okay. So here we have to cross multiply again to find out the addition. 60 into 12x plus 8y plus 6z plus 24 into 40x plus 45y plus 48z divided by 24 into 60. Okay. So here 720x plus 480y plus 360z plus 960x plus this is 45. So 24 into 45. 1080y plus 48 into 24. 1152z divided by 24 into 60. 1440. Okay. So here we have to add all these x terms, like 720 and 960 is x terms, 720 and 960. So when we add this, we will get 1680x plus 480y and 160y, 1560y plus 360z and 1152z. Okay, 1152 plus 360. 1412z divided by 1440. This is the number we get when we do this. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to subtract this from that number, like 6 plus y by 12 and z by 20. Okay. So when we do this, 12x plus 6y 72 plus z by 20. 20 into 1440. Okay, 72 Z is equal to 1440, which is equal to 12 into 240x plus 120y plus 72z is equal divided by 1440. Okay, so we want to subtract this with that number when we get here. So 240x plus 120y plus minus, okay, minus 240x 240x plus 120y plus 72z. Y plus 72z by 1440. So here 1680 minus 240. So we have to minus this with all these numbers. So when we do that, what we will do here, what we will get here is 72 Z. Okay. So we will get 1440 x by 1440 plus 1440 y by 1440 plus Z 1440 Z by 1440. So this will all cancelled off. So we will get the final answer, that is x plus y plus z. So this is the final answer, x plus y plus z. Okay. So the next one, 5x minus 4x minus. So first we will do this in the bracket. Okay. Do the things in the bracket, like 2x minus 5 minus 3 into 3x minus 4. So which is equal to 2x minus 5 minus 3 into 3, 9x plus 12. Okay. Which is equal to minus 7x plus 7. Okay. Minus 7x plus 7. So 4x minus 7x plus 7. So what we will get here is 4x minus and minus. It will become plus. Okay. So 4x plus 7x plus 7. Which is equal to 11x plus 7. Okay. So 5x minus 11x plus 7. Next, 5x is in last outside. So 5 minus 11x is equal to minus 6x. Okay, minus 6x plus 7 or 7 minus 6x. So 7 minus 6x is the answer. So this is 7 minus x plus y plus z and 7 minus 6x is the answer. Next question. Read the statements carefully and state whether true or true for T for true and F for. First one, they are saying a square pyramid has 5 faces, 5 vertices and 8 edges. Okay, so that is true. Next, a right angle is 1 by 3 of a revolution. Okay, that is false. Okay, right angle is not 1 by 3, it is 1 by 4 of a revolution. Okay, so next, angle made by a minute hand is 45 minutes. Minute hand in 45 minutes is 135. Okay, so that is also false. Okay, that is also false. Next, triangular prism and rectangular pyramid have same number of faces. Yes, they are true. Triangular prism and rectangular pyramid, they have same number of faces. So that is true. Last one is true. So true, false, false, and true. Okay, so the correct last one is also true. Next question. A rectangular plot of land is 240-meter long and by 200-meter wide. Cost of fencing a plot per meter is given as 30 rupees 30. Find the area of the land. Okay. So here rectangular plot is given. It is land is length is 240 and breadth is 200. Okay. To find out the area. Area is equal to area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. So that is 240 into 200. That is 48,000 meters square. That is the area. Okay. The cost of fencing the land, when fencing is done 4 times around the land, 4 times. Okay. Fencing means what? It is the boundaries. We have to find out the length of the boundaries. So for that, we will find out the perimeter here. Okay. Perimeter of rectangle is given by 2 into L plus B. 240 plus 200. 440. Okay. So this is 240 and 200, that is 440. 440 into 2, that is 880. 880 meter is the perimeter. And the fencing is done 4 times. Okay. Fencing is done 4 times means, okay. Okay. And the cost of fencing, the plot per meter is given here. That is 30. So if 880 meter is there, for 1 meter, per meter is 30. So for 880, so it will become 88 into 3. 2640. Okay. 26,400 rupees is for fencing 1 time. Okay. For 1 time, it is to 26,400. So for 4 times, 264 into 4. Okay. So zeros are also there. So 1,05,600 rupees to fencing it 4 times. So our correct option is, that is, area is 48,000 and fencing cost is 1,05,600. So correct option is option B. Study the given number line carefully and match the columns. Okay. So here it is given. Okay. A plus B. So okay. A, line A and B. Okay. Line A is here. Okay. And B. It is given here. Okay. So they are asking for A plus B. Okay. A plus B. Okay. This is -1, -2. Okay. -1 and -2, -3, -4 and -5. So here they are counting for, it is incoming in between. Okay. Line 2 is here and -1 is here. Okay. -2 is -1 is here. And between that, there will be so many lines in between. Okay. So A plus B will be second option, that is -15/4. Okay. Next, they are asking for B and D. BD, the length of BD. Length of BD. This B is here and D is here. Okay. So length of BD will be 81/8. Okay. Next, D minus A. D and A. D minus A. So D minus A will be -3. Okay. D minus A is -3 and B divided by C. B divided by C, that is 3/5. Okay. So first option is option A and A2 and B4, C1 and D3. Okay. A2, B4, C1 and D3. So the correct option is option D, that is A is 2, B4, C1 and D3. Okay. That is the correct option. Next question, last one. The given bar graph shows the number of people who like different beverages. Read the graph carefully and fill in the blanks. Okay. So here, first one, that is P. Dash beverage is liked by the least number of people. Okay. Who has like only least number of people who like which drink? Yes, here you can see the line is low in lemon tea. So we can say that lemon tea is the drink which is liked by between the number of people who like green tea and black tea. Okay. Who like green tea and black tea. The number of people who like green tea is, number of people who like green tea. Here it is 32. And number of people who like black tea is 8. It is 4. Okay. So the answer is 4. That is the difference. If total expenditure for preparing iced tea is rupees 432, then cost of 1 cup of iced tea is, okay, total iced tea. Okay. Total iced tea. There are 24 iced teas they are preparing. And total cost is 432 and we have to find out the cost of 1 iced tea. So 432 divided by 24, then we will get the cost of 1 iced tea. Okay, 432 divided by 24. Okay, 24 ones are 24. 24 into 8, 190. So cost of 1 iced tea is 18 rupees. So the correct option is first one lemon tea, then second one 4, Q is 4 and R is 18. So the correct option is option B, lemon tea, 4 and 18. Okay. So hope you like this video and understand this video. Thank you so much.